Cathie Wood, one of the few investors whose predictions about cryptocurrencies are often accurate, said Cardano holders will all be rich by 2022. Watch this video to find out more about this topic and stay tuned until the end. Considering the potential of Cardano where cryptocurrency might be headed, what is Cathie Wood's assessment? In the world of investing, she has provided some unique insight that could affect ADA's future availability. So now let's examine the current position of the cryptocurrency market. Overall, the crypto market has been rising recently, with many major cryptocurrencies showing signs of strength. Cardano, however, has remained on a slight downward trend on the first week of February, currently trading around $1.08. As such, Cardano is currently the sixth largest coin in the market according to market capitalization at this time. We all know that since reaching an all-time high of $3 in September 2021, Cardano has been on a downward trend. This trend could result in some crypto analysts and investors dismissing ADA and declaring it on its way out. While the downward trend has been easing over the past year, the company's CEO, Charles Hoskinson, has insisted the company aims for long-term growth. Although it has taken a while for the updates launched by Cardano to gain popularity, it seems they are doing so. Furthermore, Cardano could very well be on the verge of rallying and going up again. So here's Cathie Wood's assessment of crypto and the industry and what she thinks the future holds for crypto coins such as Cardano and the blockchain industry in the years to come. Meanwhile, some of you might be wondering who Cathie Wood is and why they should be concerned about what she thinks. It seems that many people have an opinion about cryptocurrencies, yet most of those opinions come from uninformed or uninformed sources. Nevertheless, Wood does not fall into that category. This is because as an investor in crypto and others, she is known for having a multi-million-dollar portfolio. First as an analyst and then as an economist, she worked extensively in the finance industry before becoming a portfolio manager and managing director. Afterwards, she launched a hedge fund while simultaneously managing $5 billion at a prominent asset management company where she was chief investment officer. However, after her disruptive innovations and ideas were rejected as too risky, she left to work at an investment company called ARK Invest, where she is both CEO and CIO. Furthermore, she became a famous stock picker in the year 2020, and her flagship innovative exchange-traded fund reached the top of the performance charts. It is clear from this that she is skilled at spotting opportunities for digital assets and the introduction of new innovative technologies. Currently, many people believe that cryptocurrency is not a viable investment, and Cathie Wood is not one of them. Furthermore, known as a cryptocurrency supporter for a long time, her investment firm holds over $1.5 billion worth of shares in cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase. Moreover, she was known for predicting that Bitcoin would hit $500,000 sometime in the future. Additionally, a high-profile conference was held recently called the B Word. And in this B Word conference, some keynote speakers were Cathie Wood, Elon Musk, as well as Jack Dorsey, the founder of Twitter and Square. Despite the fact Wood and Dorsey support Bitcoin enthusiastically, it is Wood who is very bullish on cryptocurrencies. So for someone who has staked her reputation and career on identifying investment opportunities, a rise in Bitcoin to such heights will mean a tremendous increase for the crypto market in general. As for her fund, Wood's opinion is certainly worth considering since she has a strong track record of correct decisions. Nevertheless, if they were right that companies will continue diversifying their cash into something like Bitcoins, and institutional investors allocate 5% of their funds to Bitcoins. Further, we estimate the price will be tenfold what it is today, instead of $45,000 over $500,000. During another interview, Wood stated that institutions are moving on to some degree to this new asset class with a very different correlation than other asset classes. In addition to looking for emerging asset classes with low correlation, institutional managers need to examine new asset classes that are evolving. In addition to this, asset allocation takes this into account to be successful, and there is no doubt that Wood is very positive about crypto's long-term potential. Further, the cryptocurrency market itself has developed a unique platform following the trends set by Bitcoin. Interestingly, the rise and fall of Bitcoin's price often track the price movement in the cryptocurrency market overall. With this, we likely see similar gains in other crypto coins in the future. Wood may not be right, but there is certainly a chance based on her track record. Needless to say, there is no certainty in this case, but given her record, it is certainly possible. In addition to this, there are crypto coins that are unlikely to survive for a long time, and that's not to say that all cryptocurrency is created equal. Despite their flaws, Bitcoins do have some problems. Moreover, Musk noted that fact during the Bitcoin mining process, since it consumed a large amount of fossil fuel. And as we all know, Tesla transactions were temporarily suspended using Bitcoin as a result of this problem. However, Musk also indicated that he believes that cryptocurrency is a good idea from numerous perspectives and that it holds great promise for the future. Additionally, he went on to say that we would like to investigate alternative crypto coins that consume less energy per transaction than Bitcoin. And of course, we hope that one of those alternative coins might be Cardano. In this respect, Musk's move reflects a general concern about climate change and investor pressure to embrace sustainable business practices. In addition to this, Bitcoin has many great features, but could its Achilles heel be the high energy consumption associated with Bitcoin mining? Furthermore, Musk himself has pointed out that the focus will shift to energy-efficient digital coins in that context, and that would signal a change in momentum for cryptocurrencies such as Cardano, which is much more energy efficient. With this being said, crypto investors are experiencing an exciting time for all coins, including Cardano, especially since the momentum has shifted to the Dogecoin cryptocurrency, which not too long ago was considered a joke. In addition, it's not unreasonable to expect that an energy-efficient crypto coin like Cardano is going to capture the attention of Elon Musk, whose tweets have the power to send stocks flying or crashing. Thus, getting his approval could result in a huge price hike for ADA. However, even without such recognition, there is a movement towards energy-efficient altcoins, which is complemented with positive sentiments about crypto coins. In this regard, such experts and investors as Cathie Wood and Elon Musk have suggested that investors in crypto coins can expect very high returns. Bitcoin miners will have to wait a long time before such energy sources become readily available. That is why those energy-efficient crypto coins like Dogecoin and Cardano will have a huge advantage until that time. Furthermore, Dogecoin and Bitcoin are two of the market's top coins and have a huge boost to the top coins, which will have a knock-on effect for other cryptocurrencies as well, given that so many notable investors are bullish about them. Additionally, if the price of these top 10 cryptos skyrockets, then those coins will become scarcer because demand will surge. Thus, the price of crypto coins might increase dramatically in the future, which could make it difficult for people to purchase them. Nevertheless, there can be no doubt that these coins have every chance of going on to have a bull run soon. In addition to this, Edward Snowden is a U.S. citizen who was employed by the CIA as a computer intelligence consultant and who has also worked for the National Security Agency. Moreover, his resignation came shortly after he left his job and flew to Hong Kong, where he disclosed numerous surveillance programs carried out jointly by the NSA, European governments, and telecommunications companies. After being charged with espionage by the U.S. government, he fled to Russia and has received asylum there. Moreover, Snowden, someone who has an insider's perspective on the internal workings of the government, is certainly worth considering with regards to Cardano especially. Furthermore, when Snowden mentions in an interview that Bitcoin will be gone one day, it sounds like a warning, but as long as there are people who wish to pay without the help of banks, cryptocurrencies will probably continue to exist. Then, according to Snowden, governments will one day act to safeguard their hold on banks by cracking down on major cryptocurrencies. The fact that he used to work at a very high level in government is very concerning since he used to do surveillance work. As we can see from the crypto market, we are experiencing that at the moment. And in the future, people will be unable to get their hands on major cryptocurrencies such as Cardano if that is the case. Although he does also appear to believe that some form of cryptocurrency will exist as long as there is demand for them. Despite the ominous prospects for the future, Snowden is supportive of cryptocurrencies such as Cardano. Meanwhile, Cardano, which trades at $1.08 and has a market cap of $33.14 billion, was trading at that price in the first week of February, down 5.3% from its previous price. Thus, if you had accumulated large amounts of Cardano, especially when its price was at a dip, you could have been a wealthy person once its price skyrocketed in 2022. What are your thoughts on this? Share it with us in the comments section below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.